viewers, welcome to SRK Studio. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we draw a dynamic straight staircase in AutoCAD. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already drawn this. I can easily flip this. And I can easily align this with the wall. As you can see, I can easily increase the number of steps, and the railing is also stretching with this. So let's get started. As you can see, here is the rectangle of 5 feet by 5 feet. This is the railing and this is the first step. You need to draw all these and make them as a group, just like this. As this is a rectangle, this is the rectangle, and this is also a single group, and this is also a single group. So the first thing we need to do, type B in the command bar for the block, and then pick point from here, select object, select all the objects, enter. Now name this straight staircase. Make sure this should be checked. Click OK. Now the file is the rectangles are open in the block editor. So the first thing we need to do, go to parameters, base point. OK. Now go to parameters, click on linear, first distance, second distance, and then third distance. Now select all the three distances and press Ctrl 1 for the properties, and then go to the mask, change this to 1. Now select distance 3, go to the properties, value set, click on increment 12 inches. Okay. Now go to the flip, type M2P, click here and click at the center, then click and click OK. Now again flip, type M2P, center point, this point, and then again the first point, and click here. Now click on the alignment, click in the center, OK. Click on the alignment, click here, OK. So now go to the action. Now click on the stretch, distance 1 point, select the corner, select object to stretch, enter. Now click on the stretch, select distance 1, select parameter point, and now select the object to stretch, press enter. Now click on the stretch, select distance 2, corner, select objects, and then enter. Now click on the stretch, select distance 2, corner, select object to stretch, enter. Now click on this stretch, click on the all right, change this to 0.5. Now click on this, the second stretch point, change this to 0.5. Now click on array, select parameter 3, select object to array, enter, give the distance 12 inches. Now click on the stretch, select distance 3, parameter point, stretch, corner, object to stretch, enter. Now click on the flip, flip 1, select all the objects, enter. Now click on the flip again, flip 2, select all the objects and enter. Now close the block editor. Here you can see, as I increase the number of steps, the railing is also increasing. I can easily adjust the size. I can easily flip this. Now type QP for the quick properties. So the distance 1 is 5 feet, change this to 7 feet. As you can see, the distance increases. Distance 2 is 5 feet, you can change this to 7 feet. Now the distance 3 is 10 feet, you can change this to 15 feet. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.